I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a still night in my windpipe. I can't breathe, but I still fight.
I don't know what I'm doing, man. Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls worldwide. It's Milltown Tubes 414 on this snowy, blizzardy day around the cold Great Lakes, no doubt about it, man. And you know, it's just this. I don't know how much of the snow you can see, but it's coming down right now, man. It's definitely coming down, yo. And I don't know where Chico went. Chico out here chilling like a villain. But yeah, just I had to hit y'all up with a video, man. I was gonna do one yesterday, but I don't know what the hell happened. But no, hopefully I'm, start getting some more going. I'm not promoting smoking, so please, kids, adults, whatever, don't smoke. It's not a good thing to do. It's getting very expensive. And yeah, please don't smoke. But on that note, let's go see what Chico's doing here. It's snowing where Chico at. Chico.
Hey, Chico, what you doing, man? What you doing, dog?
Oh man, he gone.
Chico!
Where'd he go? Oh, he's over there. Here he comes. Where'd he go now? Dude, tripping.
Chico tripping. What you doing, man?
Where'd you go? Oh, hiding behind the garbage cans. Get him, boy. Chico. Where's he at? Oh, all right, Chico. Chico like, what's up with the snow, man? What's up with the snow, man? Oh, he went over here. Oh. What are you doing? Oh, you think you're going back in the house? What are you doing over there? Oh, Chico got the ball. What are you doing with the ball? What are you doing with the ball, Chico? You got it? Hey, Chico. Check. Oh, there we go. Here. Oh, Chico with the ball, Chico. Drop. Good boy. Yo, good boy. Yeah, ready? Hold on, I gotta put that in the other hand so I can. Okay, ready, Chico? Ready? There you go again. Over here hiding by the garbage cans. Yep. So just enjoying this beautiful Monday afternoon here in the snow. Me and Chico doing our thing. Just got back from doing a few customer snow. So let's see what was up with Chico here. Yeah, hope y'all are doing good out there. I know, like the Northeast, man, they were talking like 12, 18 inches, man. And I know we, here in Milwaukee, there was, some real bad windstorms and all that, man. Like 40, 50, 60 mile an hour winds and all that stuff. That was kind of hectic. But I thought for sure a lot more stuff would have been tore up and all like that, but I guess not though, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I know, like, man, it's just the whole East Coast, man. They're gonna get swamped really bad, really bad. You know, I just hope everybody's safe, and you know, hope everybody gets their running around or stuff done before that snowstorm comes, man. Because when it comes, I mean, they're gonna probably end up shutting down the cities down there, states or whatever like that, because that's how bad it's supposed to get. But that's Mother Nature, though. So you know, this little snow that we got what? I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 inches we got so far. And here, let's see what the temperature is from the snow, man. Can we see it? I don't know. But it's just 40 degrees. It ain't, the weather temperature wise ain't bad, man. It's nice. But yeah. So hope y'all enjoyed this little video I brought to you by the one and only, this ugly dude right here. And you know, I hope everybody's doing good. You know, again, I thank you all from the bottom of my heart for, you know, watching and liking and subscribing and all that. You know, it's just a good thing, man. You know, it just, you know, makes people feel good, you know. See some likes, see some comments like that, you know. Like I said, you know, it's just the little stuff that matters, man. Just the little stuff. And a lot of people don't, you know, forget about all that little stuff, man. You know, that's what counts. Well, but all right, y'all. Well, as you can see, I've still got all my shit on here, so I'm gonna get this all off, get into the house, get warm, and yeah, relax for a little bit, and then you gotta go get the kids from school, man. So again, I love y'all. Take care. Keep fighting that fight, and you know, we'll do it another time, another place. And I see y'all. Salute to the bosses, and I see you. Good day.